Today we're at the Palazzo High Rollers room where we built this amazing cabinetry and humidors for the space. So let me kind of tell you a little bit about this. So this is where high rollers come and they get cigars, they get drinks, they get whatever they wanted. So they wanted 3 different red cabinets and 1 white cabinet. Now what kind of sets those 3 apart are very different. So these red cabinets are meant to be at 55 degrees, and then we configured the white wine cabinet here on the right to get down to 45 degrees. Now these are all made out of white oak and they're lacquered, and they also come with a horizontal display to set the bottles down, resting perfectly on its side for the aging process. This holds close to about 700 bottles of wine, and it's definitely all filled with some of the best wine you could actually have for all the high rollers that come in. Now over here we do have a humidor with the humidification system up above, and here it's just perfectly humid, perfect temperatures that will hold those cigars in perfect form for years to come. So if you're looking to get a humidor humidification systems or wine room and wine cellar cabinets, we would love to have you build your cellar drinks.